to go and look for the Islamic clerics. They gave them 16 million naira each, just to go and tell people that the protest is being planned by the Igbos. They should not participate. People kind of caused their clerics. Take a look at the meeting. People, National Security Advisor to Tinubu, Ribadu, was holding meeting with northern clerics, where each of them got 16 million naira. And guess what? The secret meeting still got leaked from the Office of National Security Advisor.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your body secret. Some Igbo leaders who may be mischievous or uninformed are thanking Tinubu for speaking up against this Igbo Must Go campaign. That's unfortunate. The essence of this video is to let the human family know Tinubu, to all intent and purpose, is not against Igbo Must Go campaign. Of a truth, Tinubu should be held responsible for Igbo Must Go campaign. He cannot, under any guise, claim to be against it. You will see a video in which Asha Yusuf presented the truth that the wife of the president, Oluremi Tinubu, laid the foundation, sowed the seed for what we are harvesting now, this Igbo Must Go campaign.
With such venom and such, conviction and such this thing, talking about this thing. So we have someone here called Juba in 2022 that had, sort of like explain some of the things that she was saying, and it's in it he say we will invoke Lagos deities to chase away the Igbos who refuse to learn our language. Those that insisted not to marry the Yorubas, we will inherit their belongings. We will chase them away and inherit their properties. And you can see up to today, there are a lot of, it's increasing. This mentality, this bigotry, this hatred against Igbos, and the fact that, they want to inherit property. How lazy can you be? How sick can you be? How bereft of self-worth and self-esteem can you be that instead of you thinking of how to make your own property, how to make your own money, all you're thinking about is how to inherit somebody else's money? And this gets to the question where you now have to ask Remi Tinubu, how many people's property have you inherited to be where you are? Because of course, like people have always said, what have you guys really built? What have you really done? Where is this thing that your wealth can be traced to?
Come to think about it, the subtle war against the Igbos in Lagos, even before the 2023 presidential election, where markets were being burned down and so many things, even relocating markets just to distress the Igbos, cause them pain and financial loss. Those policies of government will not be in place if not for the Cold War. Not just that. If Tinubu is against Igbo Must Go campaign, Bayo Ononoga, who tweeted that the hunger protest is the handwork of P2B and the Igbo nation, Bayo Ononoga would have been removed from his position if Tinubu is against Igbo Must Go campaign, because these are the men that sowed the seed, laid the foundation. What they did constitute the pillar supporting Igbo Must Go campaign, holding Igbo Must Go campaign. So if Bayo Ononoga is still there in Asorok, working with Tinubu, let nobody be deceived. Tinubu is not against Igbo Must Go campaign. It's not what people say with their mouth. Their actions speak louder. Actions. You cannot be taking hate action, supporting men who are involved in hate speech. They are working for you. Yet you want people to see you as somebody who is not in support of Igbo Must Go campaign. That's one, they just deceiving himself. It's meaningless. It doesn't make sense at all. Tinubu is not against Igbo Must Go campaign. He should be accused of being one of the chief promoters. Because if all the people coming up with hate speech against the Igbos, saying all manner of things, inciting people, if they are involved in it, then what do you want us to take? What about this allegation that some northern religious leaders were empowered to tell their people Igbos are involved, are the promoters and supporters and the sponsors of hunger protest? So how can government do all these things and you are being told that the president is not in support of Igbo Must Go? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. There is no government that has been so divisive, so mischievous like those in Asorok. So let nobody be deceived with this false claim that Tinubu spoke against Igbo Must Go campaigners. It doesn't carry weight. As long as Bayo Ononoga is serving him and is tweeting all manner of things that are inciting the people against the Igbos, it's meaningless. So please be a witness to the truth. Help the truth. Be a helper of the truth. Who all will face the judgment of God? You cannot allow lies, deceit to fly. Speak up to the truth. That's why you need to share this video. You need to subscribe to this channel. You need to help this channel, promote it for the common good of all. Be your brother's keeper. The life you save may be yours. The life you save may be yours. Support the truth. Uphold it. God lives in truth. The devil cannot have anything to do with the truth. That's why when you support the truth, you are working against the kingdom of darkness and enthroning the kingdom of God. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. It is for the common good of all.